Now, I think my brethren have raised some very important questions, and you also realize the significance of these questions. We need not tell very experienced counsel standing before us. There are undoubtedly constitutional questions involved, and we need two kinds of assistance. One on the constitutional plane, and the other, if you overcome the constitutional plane questions or questions of maintainability, then expertise on the criminal side. So I've noted that there were a number of constitutional experts who are no longer in this world. So I think we need to maybe appoint a few experts on both the matters as constitutional as well as the criminal. We'll first hear the constitutional experts, and then, depending on where we stand, proceed to hear the criminal experts.